I'm Captain Carlos Rodriguez. I'm an infantry officer and work as a division innovation officer here at the Modern Innovation Center. So what we're trying to do with this drone project here is try to take what technology already exists out there and see how bare bones we can make it. So a soldier jumping out of a Bradley can take one of these systems, he can employ it, he can observe an objective, he can do whatever he needs to do with that platform. The way I see it is small, attritable systems that have the capability of being controlled, maybe remotely, maybe from a soldier in cover, maybe right at the front line. The lower you can push this capability in echelons, you're going to greatly increase the capability, the amount of things that a smaller unit can do, give them more autonomy and ability to organically find their own things and use their own capabilities, which makes them more lethal in the end.